Adidas Originals is celebrating the 55th anniversary of the iconic superstar by revitalizing the shell toe with fresh new styles. While classic designs remain, bold updates like a newly revealed pair featuring faux snakeskin on the 3 stripes and heel add modern flair. This upcoming Adidas Superstar II, dropping in women's sizing, sports a subtle yet sleek footwear white, gray 6, and crystal white color palette. Despite its understated tones, the design commands attention with black faux reptilian overlays along the sides and heel spine, adding texture and sophistication. Gold trefoil logos on the tongue and heel inject a luxe touch, while an off-white sole grounds the look and highlights the upper's refined details. Though firm release details on Adidas.com have yet to be announced, a drop is expected before summer ends. Until then, fans can get a closer look at the women's exclusive Superstar II through official look shared by Adidas.